Hey folks, welcome to Hayden Me Grilling Out. Tonight we're going to be firing up the Weber kettle. We're going to be grilling up what some people call a drumstick, but down here in the South we call it a chicken leg. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little binder on here. Now I don't want to do a lot because Dale's, even though it's the reduced sodium, it's still going to be pretty salty. So we're just going to pour some Dale's across here. Then we're just gonna brush that all over the chicken. All right, so we're gonna double layer our seasoning. You're good. First, I'm gonna come in with some of this Willie Pete from Grill Your Ass Off. I'm gonna come in and put a light coating on that on my chicken. Now we're gonna come over the top with Heath Riles Honey Chipotle. Very good flavor. And plus, it's gonna give it that red color, that deep red mahogany that every barbecuer likes.
Barbecue, not a wall color.
All right, so we've got them seasoned up. We're gonna let them sit here and soak in that seasoning while we go fire up our charcoal. All right, folks, so I got my coals heated up. So we're gonna put our chicken over here on the indirect side. Now we're gonna check on them periodically, but you know, chicken finishes out at 165 degrees, but chicken legs, being a dark meat, you want to take them to 175, 185, somewhere around that temperature range. So we're going to check on them from time to time, but I'll bring you back when they're ready. All right, so here are our plates. I got the childish version. But here are our chicken legs. Ready for the taste test?
I am.
All right.
Well.
It's not red in the middle.
No. Good.
Bite's tender. Usually looks a little dry right there.
Mm-hmm.
But
It don't taste dry though.
that bite juicy. Wow. All right, folks, that was good. Now, you know, I showed you I put them on the offset side, but then when I went to check them, I decided to move them closer to the heat, and I got a little bit of charring on some of them. But and some of them, you know, when I would check them with my temperature probe, and then when I pulled the probe out, that juice would shoot out. So I think that's what happened to Laura's there. She got one of the ones that I probed. But like I said, I mean, very juicy, good flavor. I don't know why I've never used Dale's as a binder before, but I thought it was pretty good. You know, and we could have brushed some barbecue sauce on there at the end, let it finish out, kind of glaze over the meat. But I think it's a good little
I like it.
way to kick off the weekend. So
Good.
thanks, boo. So hope you guys have a great weekend. Like, subscribe. We'll see you later.